Hello everybody, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to curve text in Canva. It's really simple, so what you're going to want to do to follow along is just open a blank document in Canva and go to text and type in text. So I'm just going to type in how to curve text, and I'll just center that, make it a little bit bigger and center that on the document here. And from there, on the editor toolbar at the top right here, you're going to want to go to effects. Then on the sidebar under shape is going to be the option to curve text. So you're going to want to select that. When you do that, it automatically curves down, but if you have it at 0, it's a straight line. If you curve to the right, it curves the text down. And if you curve to the left, it curves the text up. So that's how you curve text in Canva. Thank you so much for checking out this video. I'll be posting quick tutorials for various software and tech throughout the week. And I'm going to try to keep them 2 to 3 minutes long so that it's easy to follow along with and all of that fun stuff. So with that, thank you so much for checking out this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on future videos, and I'll see you on the next one. Have a good one, everybody.